What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com, and today I'm excited because I'm going to be teaching you how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month online on a consistent basis, guys. And the way we're going to be doing that is you need to have a solid sales funnel, guys. Not just any run-of-the-mill two-step sales funnel. You need to have a solid sales funnel that has these 5 different components that I'm going to be talking about in this video. So definitely get a pen and pad because you're definitely going to take some notes, because if you don't have these 5 components in your sales funnel, more than likely you're not going to be able to generate any substantial amount of income, and especially on an ongoing basis. Guys, my name is John from johnmcneil.com. If this is your first time to my channel, I do teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click that little John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, guys, let's go to jump right into this video. We're going to be showing you how to create a solid sales funnel, all the components you need, and how you get it started. And we're going to start right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com, and I'm here at the presentation, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be explaining how you actually create a sales funnel that can actually generate a consistent $10,000 a month online for you. Now, guys, if you don't have these 5 different products or 5 different components in your sales funnel, not to say you can't make any money, but you're definitely not going to make big money, and you're not going to make consistent money, because this funnel, this 5-step funnel that I'm going to be showing you today, is going to give you the ability to create all types of income, one-time payments, recurring, big ticket commission, all of these different components in one sales funnel. And this guys, is how you leverage your sales funnel and you get rich. This is how you make money. This is how you consistently put $10,000 a month in your pocket. So the 5 components or the 5 products that you're going to have in your sales funnel is, obviously, you're going to have a free product to get people to opt into your list. You're going to have a front end product, upsell products, membership products, and high ticket products, guys. And we're going to be going through each of these components in detail and talking about it a little bit. So number 1, your free product is basically going to be attracting prospects into your business and getting them on your email list, right? So you can give away a free report, you can give away a free video, it could be a checklist, it could be a software. You just have to give something away of value that people will want to enter their name and email address and get that information. So that's pretty important, right? Secondly, you're going to have your front end product. So your front end product is typically going to be a product that is low in cost. So anything ranging probably between $5 and $20 in price point. And with that front end product, this is when your basically your lead graduates from a prospect to an actual customer. So you want to absolutely pack that front end product with massive value. I mean, massive value that they are going to be thinking like, I cannot believe I only paid $5 for this product. It was probably worth $100. So, I mean, that's how you turn a lead into a customer and a raving fan, and then they'll be more likely to continue to purchase other products and additional products from you in the future and going forward. So product number 3 is the upsell product. So this is something that is typically an optional additional extra purchase that comes right after the front end product. And the customer is actually able to make this one-time purchase, and it typically just is something that complements that front end offer, or something that automates that front end offer. So this is going to increase the customer's value as well as increase the money that you make in your pocket. So if I sold a product on, how to get backlinks to your site, And the course teaches you how to manually go out there and find blogs and Web 2.0 strategies to get backlinks. And then maybe my upsell is, here's a software that can help you, upload or get 100 backlinks every time you're ready to post some content. I've just made that up on the top of my head, but what I'm trying to get you guys to see is that the software complements the training course. So the training course that you just paid $5 for goes through how you do it or manually, how you need to do it to get your backlinks. But then here's a software that can help automate that process. So it's an upsell, but it also adds value to the customer. And again, it adds money in your pocket. So traditional affiliate marketing, that's when the sales funnel basically gets cut off after those 3 products. So typically you'll see the squeeze page with the lead magnet, the front end offer, and then maybe an upsell. And then that's basically it. But the big money is actually made after those first 3 products. So in the next 2 offers, that's where you make majority of your profit. And this is why so many people leave money on the table, because they're not doing these next 2 products. So product number 4 is a monthly membership offer. So this is recurring revenue that you're going to be getting every single month. And this is probably one of the most important income streams that you can have in your business, because once you get people on auto ship, right, and they're paying a monthly membership fee, this is autopilot money, guys. This is true passive income where you have done the work one time and you're getting paid for it over and over and over again. So you must have recurring income in your business so that you can stabilize cash flow. And this leads you to, automating your business and becoming free. So just as a quick example, just if you were making $47 a month on a monthly membership product, so at 10 members, you're making $470 a month. At 50 members, you're making $23.50 a month. And at 100 members, you're making $4,700 a month. So it's almost $5,000 a month in residual passive income that you're making. And I mean, even if it took you 6 months to get 100 members, or even a year to get 100 members, to have, $5,000 in monthly residual income coming to you without you really having to manually do any work is amazing. And this is on top of the front end offers. It's on top of the upsells. So these are just additional revenue that so many people are leaving on a table, and they need to have this in their sales funnel. And then finally, if you're truly and seriously trying to make the big money and become full-time as an internet marketer, you need to have this 5th step in your business, and that's the high ticket offer, right? So these are generally going to be products that range from $2,000 to $20,000 in price point. And then these are going to be like your high-end coaching, consulting, done-for-you solutions, software, workshops, and masterminds, right? So this is something that every successful online affiliate marketer implements in their business. The process is basically, lead magnet, you get them into your funnel, you over deliver with your front end products, the upsells, you get them into a monthly membership fee where they're learning more training, additional training, and then you hit them with the high ticket offer that just blows them away with all the done for you solutions and the coachings and software and all of these workshops and masterminds that are put into these high ticket offers that gives them so much support that it's just something that, your customers are going to want to purchase, right? And this is how you really can create, a definite $10,000 a month, because from the front end product all the way to the high ticket product, you're going to be earning commissions, front end upsells, residual monthly memberships, as well as these high ticket commissions. So I know we just kind of went through that really quickly. So I did want to offer you guys this blueprint training. And basically this training is called the Big Commission Blueprint. And basically in this training, you're going to discover the secret 5 steps that you're going to turn traffic into leads, cash, recurring income, and big commissions all on autopilot. So in Big Commission Blueprint, you're going to get a complete step-by-step training module showing you how to set all of this stuff up. So you need to learn how to create a solid sales funnel. You know, if you don't have a solid sales funnel, you need to have one. You need to create one. So no matter what you're doing, even if you're making some money doing some Facebook ads or whatever the case may be, you need something solid. You need something stable. You need to get a steady hub, this one sales funnel that can be generating you income all throughout the funnel. You're also going to get a monthly checklist to kind of keep you on point in terms of the training and keep you going. And then you're going to have access to a private community that's also there to support you and help you grow your business. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it's also a secret bonus that's worth $97 a month. Now, guys, the Big Commission Blueprint, I'm not even going to do all the hype stuff. It only costs you $19.95 to learn how to put together a funnel that can take you from $0 to $10,000 a month. There's no big pitches here, guys. You need to do this. You need to get this training. This is John from johnmcneil.com. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys on the next video. Guys, the link for Big Commission Blueprint will be in the description. So go to the description right now, click on that link that's in the description, and go ahead and order your training for Big Commission Blueprint right now. We'll see you in the next video, guys.